Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Samyuktha Vinod. So today's video is going to be how to contour your face. So that is the video you're going to see today. That is cream contouring, not powder contouring. There are two types of contouring you can do it. One is cream contouring and another one is powder contouring. In this video, I'm going to show how to contour your face using a cream product. So for which I'm going to use this Take Quirky cream contouring stick. Like, it's not a contour stick, it is basically a like foundation, all-in-one stick. Foundation, concealer, everything, you can do it according to your face complexion, shade. You can choose the one which suits you best. So in this case, I'm just taken the shade number 7, which is ideal for my skin tone for contouring purpose. So how to contour your face. So let's start the video. Let it be a quick video. So I'm going to show you how to contour your face. First of all, why you need to contour. So contouring is that when you apply some kind of product, like example foundation or concealer or powder, what happens is your natural shape or face shape, everything is getting blank. So the product might cover up your exact face shape and it gives a blank canvas. So in this case, what we are going to do is this contouring is going to help you in carving out your face. So in case if you have chubby face like mine, you can very well go with this to slim down your face structure too. So this will create a shadow and it will create a dimension to your face. So that is the main purpose of contouring. Start the video. The first step is you are going to place the contour. So where to place the contour? So what happens is, when you just see here, this is the cheekbone. So this is the cheekbone and you have to place the contour below your cheekbone. When you do this, so this is the, when you touch you can feel cheekbone ku keela. So here. So here is what we have to place the color. That is very much important. There are many techniques to just contour. Now I'm not going to share you the tips like tricks and all. Now I'm just going directly to the contouring part today in this video. So what you can do is, to find out, you can do your face like this, fish face, and then apply it. So I'm going to just show you how to do. Please keep watching. Next step, once the placement is done, next is you're going to just blend it. So for which I'm going to use the Real Techniques brush, and this is a contour brush. Just use to and fro motion and then just blend it in the upward direction, not the downward direction. Now as you can see the difference, see here, this is very chubbier, whereas this side is quite, it is carved out. See, one more benefit is that when you're using a cream contour is that it gives you a natural finish when compared to the powder contouring. So it is always best. I prefer I prefer cream contouring, but in case if I'm in urgent, like if I want to do like a very urgent makeup, then I'll go with the powder contouring. Else I like to do with the cream contouring. Now similarly, I'm just going to do my forehead also. So I need still more some dimension in the bottom part, so I have just taken a little more. So now as usual, blend the color. the contouring is done. Now you can see the difference between both the side. See how dimension your face looks. Rather than a chubby round ball, you can see the like my face is slimmed down and it has given a good contouring. So this is the power of contouring, and so that's it. There you can see the very little difference. So now in order to set this, either you can go with the powder contouring or you can use the translucent powder on top, which has no color. Obviously when the translucent powder has no color, so you can slightly dust it from which prevents it from creasing. So generally it doesn't happen. So in case of summers, if you need extra protection, you can just dust some translucent powder on top of it, or you can go with the powder contouring also. So I'll be doing a separate video on step-by-step process of both cream and powder contouring in a separate video. So as of now, so you can just see how it does. It gives you a natural finish rather than going with the powder one. So that is the main advantage of this contouring. So I hope it was quite helpful and you liked it, and if you did so, please give me a good fat thumbs up. So thank you. Bye.